AI-driven automation is no longer a distant future, it's changing how we work, live, and interact with the world around us. From smart homes to self-driving cars, AI is transforming everyday life in ways we never imagined. In this video, we'll explore how automation is revolutionizing daily tasks, creating both conveniences and challenges for society. Smart homes becoming the norm. AI-powered smart homes are automating everything from lighting to security, making daily life more convenient, but also raising questions about privacy and control. Self-driving cars. AI is revolutionizing transportation with self-driving cars, offering increased safety and efficiency, but also disrupting the job market for drivers. Automated customer service. AI chatbots and virtual assistants are replacing human customer service representatives, providing instant responses, but also reducing human interaction in business. AI in healthcare. AI tools are now used for diagnostics and personalized treatment plans, improving healthcare accuracy and speed, though access to these technologies remains a challenge for some. AI-driven education. Automated tutoring systems and AI-powered classrooms are changing the way we learn, offering personalized education, but also highlighting the digital divide. Automation in retail. AI is transforming retail with automated checkout systems, inventory management, and customer experience tools, reducing costs but eliminating jobs in traditional retail. AI in food production. AI is optimizing food production with automated farming techniques and supply chain management, improving efficiency and sustainability, but also displacing workers. AI-generated content. AI tools are now capable of generating everything from articles to music, streamlining content creation, but raising concerns over creativity and job displacement for artists. Automation in manufacturing. Robots powered by AI are increasing productivity and precision in manufacturing, yet they also contribute to the decline of traditional factory jobs. AI-powered entertainment. Streaming services and video games are using AI to curate content and create personalized experiences, but this also raises questions about data privacy and content manipulation. Automation in the workplace. AI is changing traditional office jobs by automating tasks like scheduling, data entry, and email management, reducing workloads but also leading to job displacement. Virtual assistants in daily life. AI-powered virtual assistants, like Alexa and Siri, are becoming integral to everyday life, helping with tasks like shopping, reminders, and controlling smart devices. AI in environmental management. AI is being used to monitor environmental factors and create sustainable solutions, such as optimizing energy consumption and waste management in cities.